Have you ever wondered how birds stay warm in the winter? Birds have developed a few different strategies to help them stay warm. One strategy is birds shiver, just like humans. Birds have a high metabolic rate that helps keep their body temperature around 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Another strategy they have is food. Birds pack on extra weight and eat extra food at the end of the summer and early fall to help prepare them for the winter months. Insulation is also key for birds to stay warm. All birds will trap pockets of air next to their bodies using their feathers. They can fluff up their feathers to increase their body temperature. Birds also have a specialized blood flow system in their legs that help keep their bodies at warmer temperatures. They have scales on their feet and their legs to help minimize heat loss. If you'd like to help birds in the winter, consider putting out high-energy foods like seeds or suet for them to eat.